Welcome to Your Voice of Success. Your voice is the most powerful communication tool that you possess. I say, speak like every phrase is a melody. We're going to learn some breathing techniques. I am going to unlock your vocal toolbox. I'm going to open up all the possibilities that you have within. I'm going to create a whole new awareness for you about your voices, give you tools and tips to how you can use your voices more effectively in a way that you've maybe never ever thought about before.
I'd recommend these Hugo sessions to anyone that wants to improve their vocal speech, anyone that has challenges with their breathing, controlling their voice, or just being more confident speaking to a room full of people.
It's been absolutely amazing. It's highlighted to me what I need to work on, some really good tips and tricks.
And trust me, it was an eye-opener.
Lisa was fantastic explaining everything. She coached us very closely, and she gave us a lot of tips on how to use our voice and how to breathe better.
I highly recommend it to anyone who just, you want to improve your voice or you don't. It's very good to come here. You'll get awareness of it, and then you'll decide you're most likely going to be continuing in this journey. It's amazing.